Do you want to create a professional website in just 10 minutes? No coding, no experience, no confusion. Even if you are an absolute beginner, this video is perfect for you. Right now, we are inside the Hostinger dashboard. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create an attractive and unique website using the Hostinger website builder. If you have never created a website before, don't worry. After watching this complete video, you will be able to create your own website very easily. So first of all, you need to be on your Hostinger dashboard. From the left side menu, click on websites, then click website list. After that, click on add website, and here you will see multiple options. Select Hostinger website builder. Now you will see an option to enter your brand name. Here you type your website or brand name. So I am simply type my own name. Below that, write a short description about your website. Here you can explain what type of website you want, such as a blogging website, e-commerce website, business website, or portfolio website. You should write details related to your website. For example, I want a portfolio website with essential pages and a proper attractive design. So I pasted my details here. After entering all details, click on create a website. Now Hostinger will generate your website automatically. So first check your website carefully. Make sure the details you added for creating the website are complete and match your requirements. Check whether the Hostinger website builder has created all the pages you need and applied an attractive design. Now check your website in desktop view and also in mobile view to see how it looks on both devices. If you feel the design should be different or you want to add more pages or add more details, simply click on create again. And here you can add more information and then click generate website again to create a new design. Also check website view on desktop and mobile. Once everything looks good, click continue. Now we will start adding the website. Click on any image you want to change. First I will change this image. Click on the image and the option will appear at the top. If you want to add your own image, click on the image option, upload an image from your computer and set it. But I will generate an image using AI, so I click on generate image. Now I need to tell AI what kind of image I want. This is a portfolio website, so I want an image of a businessman sitting in an office. I add this detail and click on generate. After generating, you can see two images here. I select one image. If you don't like any image, you can add new details and generate the image again. This way you can add professional images to your website easily. Now I want to edit this name. I click on the text and then click on edit text. Here I can easily change the text. You can set this text as H1, H2, H3 or H4 from here. If you want to make the text bold, italic or underline, select the text and change the style from the options above. So this is very simple. Now I will add a short description about my skills. I click on the text area. If you want to write or paste your own text, click on edit text and do it manually. But I will take help from AI. So I click on AI write, then click on create text. And here I add some details about my skills and then click on generate. AI will write a short description for me. If something is missing or extra, I can manually edit the text and make it perfect. Now click on the social icons section. After that, click on edit social icons. Here add your social media links such as Facebook, Instagram and so. So this is very simple. But if you delete any widget by mistake, don't worry. Just press Ctrl plus Z and the widget will come back. Now the background of this section is black, but I want to change it to blurry office image because it will look more attractive. To do this, select this section by clicking on its corner. After selecting this section, click on generate image. Now add details about the background image you want. After that, click on generate and select the image. You will see that the background image change instantly. You can edit the entire homepage like this very easily. Now let's talk about the other pages. Open the About page. The process is exactly the same. Just like we added the heading, text, and images on the home page, you can use this same method to update the page easily. If I explain every page one by one using the same method, the video will become very long and there will be no extra benefit because the process is exactly the same. My job is to guide you and show you the process. Your job is to understand it properly and practice again and again. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you want to add a logo, click on your website title at the top. Now you can upload your logo. You can select it from the media library or upload it directly from your computer. After uploading the logo, resize it according to your design. You can also go to the styles option and change the background color of the header. If you scroll down, you will see the footer section. Editing the footer is exactly the same as editing the header. Now I want to tell you an important point about the logo size. We have already set the logo size for desktop view, but to make the website mobile responsive, you must also set the logo size for mobile view. Before that, let's click on preview and check how the website looks on desktop and mobile. And you can see that on desktop view the logo looks perfect, but when we open the mobile view, the logo looks very big and not good. To fix this, select the logo and go back to the Hostinger website builder editor. Now reduce the logo size for mobile device. After resizing, the logo looks perfect on mobile. Now click on preview again and check both desktop and mobile views. You can see that the logo now looks good on both devices. Now go back to edit mode and scroll down to the footer section. Here you will see the subscribe button, click on it and then click on edit form. Now enter your email address here. This way whenever someone subscribe, you will receive a notification. On the contact page, you can edit the contact form in the same way. This process is very easy. Once you have complete editing your website, the next step is to connect a domain. But before connecting the domain, I recommended click on Go Live to publish the website so all your changes are saved. After that, click on Connect Domain. In the search box, search for the domain name that you already claimed. If you have not claimed a domain yet, search for a unique domain name that is available. After searching, you will see domain in green color. Click on it and then click Next. Within 1 or 2 minutes, your domain will be connected. Now click on the Hostinger logo to go back to the Hostinger dashboard. And you can see that your domain is now connected. To open your website, click here. As you can see, your website is now live with an attractive and unique design. If you want to edit the website again, simply click on Edit Website. This is how you can create an attractive and unique website very easily, even without an technical knowledge. Now go ahead and buy hosting from Hostinger with a free domain. If you use my special link, you will get an extra 20% discount. This link is in the description. Buy hosting and domain with discount and launch your website in minutes. So that's it. You have successfully created a complete website within minutes. Even if you are an absolute beginner,